we have another awesome bathroom to show you guys today, and this one is near and dear to somebody's heart over here because
it's bathroom for my older girls.
Yes.
Okay, so one thing that I wanted to start with is a herringbone pattern for the flooring. So this is the tile, this brick, very like moody, warm vibe on the floor.
Love it.
And then this cabinet that we are both obsessed with, the Irish cream, just a gorgeous, like very, very warm white, light gray, I would call it. And then because it's for my 3 big girls, we had to throw in a little splash of gold with the hardware. This Versailles quartz countertop that is so gorgeous with a lot of movement. So they'll walk in from the bathroom floor into their new big walk-in shower with these really pretty wooden penny tiles for the floor, and then this awesome squared textured tile on the wall for the shower walls.
I love it. It's like classy but yet youthful.
Yeah, and like I think it will like grow with them as they continue to grow. This style will evolve with them.
Yeah.
I'm excited for them.